Yo, what's up, my people? How y'all doing? Welcome to another Black Diamond FX Zoom session. It's your boy, Darren B, representing Black Diamond FX. And tonight, on this lovely Thursday night, we're going to look for some more trades, all right? And we will be utilizing what we have learned about supply and demand and also the price cycle, right? So the first thing I do when I come on the charts, y'all probably heard me say this already, but I look at market structure. So this is clear as day. You can see market structure is coming down higher. Lower lows, lower highs. Y'all see that? Boom, 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 boom. And what do we have here? Now remember the price cycle. What's the first step in the price cycle? Who remember? Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Type number one, if you know, was the first aspect of the price cycle. First, is aspect the right word I'm using? The first part of the price cycle, all right? And that is, starts with the letter C, ends with the letter N, price moves side to side, boom, consolidation, right? Okay, so what happens in consolidation? Price just pretty much move up and down between support and resistance, all right? So price gonna give you consolidation. Then all of a sudden, like as if it just came out the blue, we're gonna get what? Expansion. And as you can see, we have expansion coming down from here, boom, expansion coming down, right? Let me move this a little bit. All right. So we have expansion, downward expansion coming out of our consolidation area, all right? So when price expands, it does two things. That's very important. First thing that it does, it gives us what's called inefficient price action, all right? And as you can see, we have that, right? Let me move my candle back a little bit. All right, as you can see, we have the inefficient price action right up in here, all right? You can see that. So if you know what inefficient, if you don't know what inefficient price action is, all it is when price make these big old moves, and this first candle right here, it gives us this wick, all right? And you see we have this big candle here and then this little candle. Well, look at these wicks. Look at this bottom wick, look at this top wick. See how they don't like meet up? That gap in between, that's called inefficient price action. Some call it imbalance, some call it fair value gap, imbalance, whatever. But inefficient price action, it's all the same. It don't matter what you call it. Just know what it. Just know that everything is. It's all the same. All right. Now that's the first thing that it does. The second thing that it does, it leaves behind a zone, a supply demand zone, order block, whatever you want to call it. I call it supply demand. All right. And that zone, as you can tell, is right here. This last candle right here. All right. So I'm going to mark that. I'm going to mark it with a fib retracement because I'm going to mark it with a fib retracement. Go all the way. So because it goes all the way across and now I got to drag it. That's the only reason. Tell you what, I'm going to use my other fib. I'm going to use my Smart Money 2 fibs right here. All right. Wait, no, Smart Money 1. I'm sorry. Boom, that one. All right. Okay. So after expansion, what we get? Retracement back to the zone. And what does retracement do? Retracement is to fill in the inefficiency, right? So let's see. Do we fill in inefficiency? Let's scroll to the side. Boom, look right here. Fill in the inefficiency. Not only did we fill in this inefficiency, but what also happened, we tapped inside our supply zone. Y'all see that? Man, easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Man, look, just pretend I didn't say that, all right? So now what do we do? Now that we've tapped inside the zone, we got our consolidation here. We got expansion. Let me draw the arrow for retracement. That's our retracement. And what's the last step? Reversal, all right? And this reversal actually looks like it's going to be pretty good. I'm looking at it. I can tell you, let's go to the 1 hour. Okay. So once it taps into the zone, we want to see it tap into the zone, right? And then after it taps into the zone, we want to see it come down and have a change of character. All right. In the change of character, if you don't know what a change of character is, all it is, the first indication that price is reversing. Okay, so this little market structure, up, higher highs and higher lows. See this low right here? See how I got beat right here, right? Yeah, it got beat right there. So what happened? If it got beat right there, and y'all, this is a trade right here. This is a trade. Y'all get to catch it live. A sell trade on AUD USD, because watch this. This is how I change the character. And I'm going to put Choclo. All right. Came back up. Once you get this change of character, once it breaks this, then you get change of character. Then you go up and look for another zone. All right. Now remember I was on inefficiency. All right. We got inefficiency and it broke this. Change of character and break of structure is pretty much the same thing. Look what happens. Boom. This is our zone right here. This is our zone here. Boom. Bring this over. Look what happened. Tapped it on the nose. Tapped it on the nose. We enter here. Now we enter here. And look what happened. We came back up here and it gave us another trade. Look at this little, see this little small inefficiency? If we go down to a smaller time frame though, see this wick? Bet you there's opportunity in that wick. Bet you there's a zone somewhere in the wick of that candle right there. Let's look at the 30 minute. 15. Look at that. Look at that. Inefficiency. Move this. Hold on a second. Move this. Boom. Right there. This is our trade right here. All right. And that's 6.4, 6.9. I think we can safely get in. You know what? I'm gonna take this AUD USD sell trade right here. I'm taking it. If I get stopped out, then oh well. You know, it looked good. It looks like a good trade, but I'm taking it. Let me see right quick. Hold on. Let me get in my open chart. 0.50. And let me see something right quick. It came, broke minor structure there. Let's see, 3 minute. Okay, broke minor structure here. Yeah. Let me see. I want to get a nice sharp entry. See right here, look, smaller. Now this is small right here. Look right here, boom. Right here, boom. All right, little inefficiency there. Small inefficiency there. All right, sell. All right, now I'm in. Stop loss. Let me see if I go to 15 minute. I'll probably put my stop loss right above here. 648. This is 15 minutes. Let me go on here on my phone and look. I can put my stop loss. .64. Wait, not this one right here. I'm gonna put it above this one. 649. Wait, no, that's tight. I can put it right above here. 648. I'm gonna put it 6482. Hold up. Yeah, 6482. I'm gonna say 0.6482. All right, and my take profit. Let's go back to over here. All right, 6413. Let's keep it short and sweet for right now. We could either target this low right here. We could target this inefficiency right here, this inefficiency field, which that ain't nothing. We could target this inefficiency field right here. Let's see, what is this low right here? 642, that's about 40 something pips. 40, all right. 641. That's not too far. I'll tell you what, let's just target this low. Let's target this low. I'm gonna put it at 0.642. So that'll give us 0.642. So that'll give us 66.4 pips. A 66.4 pip take profit. All right. And let me hold on a second. 0.642. My coordinate 642. Right there. Boom. Right there. We're gonna keep it kosher. We're gonna keep it tight right there. All right. And if I put my risk to reward, stop loss 6482. Let me put my short tool on it. All right. Bring this down to here. Hold on. I'm gonna make it even better. So my stop, my profit level is 642. 642. My stop is 6482. 6482. And my entry is 64684. All right. Boom, there we go. There we go, right there. And I'm gonna just, oh shucks, hold on. Let me change it again. I messed it up. Stop is 6482. 6482. All right, there we go. I'm gonna just leave it right there. All right, so let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. We're gonna leave this right here. I'm gonna put a little arrow so y'all get to see this live. Y'all get to see this live as it's happening. This ain't no faking. Let's see it play. Let's see if it's gonna play out. It'll be awesome, huh? I'll take profit. Boom. All right. And this account is my. I'm with what those people name my forex funds. This is my forex funds challenge account, my funded account. All right. Now I'm on stage one. All right. So I'm not funded yet. I got to pass stage 1 and stage 2, but I have high confidence that I will. All right. So let's look at something else. We're going AUD USD is marked. Okay. So let's see what else we got going. All right. This is AUD CAD. AUD CAD, I'm waiting for it to come back up in here, and we're going to look for the same exact thing. Wash, rinse, repeat. All right. So it's not back up there yet. AUD JPY. AUD JPY, we got some liquidity right here. It tapped in here, but I wasn't totally convinced. And this could be a tap, but I wasn't totally convinced. So I'll probably just leave. I'll probably just let this go on some more. Maybe let it start taking liquidity, let it come back to a zone or something, and then see what's happening. All right. And then you can see it's just consolidating right now anyway. So we can expect an expansion coming out of here, perhaps maybe even up and then drop. All right. So we'll see what happens with that. AUD USD, that's what we just looked at. All right, 15-minute. Right now we're at 6465, only like 1 pip into profit. Excuse me. All right, let's go back to the 2-hour CAD JPY, nothing on there. I don't know if any of you guys trade CAD JPY, but you can see the price cycle still the same thing. We got consolidation up here. Man, look, this is golden. Look at this. Consolidation right up here. Boom, look at all this expansion coming down. And look, we got a little retracement right here, and then it dropped. But then look, we got the big one over here. We got the big one over here. See that? But I ain't gonna lie, this was a nice one right here. This was a real nice one right here. We could have caught this. Let's see something. Let's see if we can get, let's see what it looks like right in this area. All right. Yep, look, check it out. Wait, hold on. Small, make it small. All right, let's see. Over here, let's slide over some more. Slide over some more. And look what we got. All right. Boom. We broke structure right here. Took out liquidity. Broke structure right there. Change the character. Right there. Change the character on the low side right here. See how I broke it? Came back up. Let's see. Let's drop down to the 15 because I got a feeling there's some inefficiency up in there somewhere. Okay, so let's look at the 15-minute. Let me see. That's the only thing I hate, man. You got to keep scrunching up the chart and doing this and doing that. All right, boom, there it is right here. Look, I told y'all, inefficiency right here. Y'all see it? Boom, wham, bam, thank you, man. Look at this. Easy as pie, y'all. I'm telling y'all. Y'all learn to spot these. Boom, this is our trade entry right here. Look at that. Came down. No matter how small it was, it still did it. No, it expanded, retraced, and back into the zone. And look what we got right here. Retrace right back into the zone. Boom. Now, the only thing I don't like about this, it didn't retrace back to, like, I would have expected it to retrace back to here. But it retraced back, the fact that it retraced back into consolidation, I was cool with it. I was okay with it. All right. And then look, we get this big old drop. Boom. This is the reversal. Step number 4 in the price cycle reversal. See that? Boom, coming down. All right. Look, wait. Ooh, let me see something. Let me see if I can count these pips right quick, y'all. I won't count these pips from here. I'm gonna count it from right here all the way to here. 438 pips. 437.8. Let's say 438 pips. Man, that's good. That's real good. That's very good. 438 pips. Come on, man. But then look what happened. Let's look at the big one, the main one right here. See, this is the one that came back. This is the big one that came back right here, right? Came back. And then look, see this right here? Watch this. Watch, I want to show you something. Remember we talk about consolidation? Well, watch this. I don't know how much consolidation this gonna have because that was a pretty suave move. Although this consolidated, expanded out, and came down and killed it. It came down and killed it. All right. I mean, this ain't really much consolidation. What happened, and this happened tonight, this hold on a second. See, we had consolidation here. This probably was the consolidation I would have looked for it to come up to. All right. I mean, but still, you would have made money on that other move. And then look, you could have just waited till it came back up. Let's see something. Because you could also put your fibs on, and your Fibonacci going to tell you, it's going to give you an idea where price may come back to. Let's see. Wrong spot. From the high of the range to the low of the range. All right. And I got to change my smart. Look, inside these green zones. Boom. Let's see. Was there anything there? 5 minute. Look, right here. This was right here. This was there. Boom, boom. Ooh, right there. This was your entry. And look, this was your entry. You could have got in here and just wait. This is 5 minutes. This ain't nothing. This ain't nothing. You could have got in there and then look, boom, immediately drop. Well, how much this drop was? How many pips was this drop from here down to here? 267 pips, man. 267 pips. That's what, 10 minutes? 267 pips in 10 minutes. That's what you'd have made right there. Man, y'all can't tell me this don't work, man. I know I might not be your favorite instructor, but guess what? I don't have to be your favorite. I know what I'm talking about. God has blessed me with the knowledge. You heard what I'm saying? I don't think y'all hear me, man. God has blessed me with the knowledge to learn this, to teach this, and to be good at it. And that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna keep teaching people. If you want to learn, get at me. Holler at me, man. I help people. I help you. Look at this right here. CAD JPY about to sell. Look. Consolidation, price cycle. Look at this. Perfect view. Watch this. Let me show y'all something. Perfect view. Look at this. Consolidation. Turn this off. Consolidation up and down. All right. Boom. Expansion coming out of it. Retracement right back into, and it hit the zone right here. See that zone right here? Fill this inefficiency right here to the zone. Boom. Tapped it. Wick entry. You got you a wick entry. Boom. Go down to the 1 hour or 30 minute. Go down to the 15 minute. Look what we got. Let's see. Look, I won't say change the character, but this wick so long. Change the character. Came down. Let's see. 3 minute. Yep. Look at that. Y'all see it? Change the character right here. Look at this. Change the character. Man, tell me, man, tell me this ain't simple. Change the character to the low side. Boom, came back up. Look, inefficiency to the zone. Right there. Boom. This is your entry right here. This is your entry right here. Boom, take it down. You can still be going. How many pips we got so far? From this wick, it went down, what, 35? I mean, but still, it's gonna keep coming. It's gonna keep coming. But that's how you do it, man. And I don't even trade CAD JPY, but that was a nice setup. That was a beautiful setup, man. Look at that, man. Come on, tell me this don't work. You know what I'm saying? Come on. All right. Euro AUD. Let's see. It's consolidating right now on a 2 hour. Now we got some little small moves. Miss Beverly. All right. Now we got some little small moves up in here, up in the 2 hour. But we're not worried about them, the small move. Well, I'm saying small moves, but that's 100 pips in between. What's up, Miss Beverly? How you doing?
I'm okay. How are you?
Oh, wonderful. Going over this price cycle, man. This is fantastic. This is fantastic. Were you able to look at that PDF that I posted inside of the group?
Yes.
All right. What you thought about it?
I still get a little confused.
You look up, man. Look, that's why I'm here. That's why I'm here. And we go take a look at it. Hold on a second. Give me 1 second. We go take a look at it. I'm just going over some stuff right quick. All right. Okay, look at this. We got, oh man, what happened? Hold on. All right, there we go. Now, normally, I'm gonna start over for you, Miss Bev. And I'm gonna tell you exactly what I'll be looking for. All right. So normally when I open my charts up, I come to the 4 hour chart and I see what price is doing. So looking at this, see price was coming down, but then we had a little low right here, and then price started coming up. So I would most likely expect price to maybe continue going up. Well, it's inside of this range right here. Let's see. Started coming back down. Let me see. It got close to the top of this range, this down range. Then it started coming down. Looked like we gotta change the character here. So it might start coming down. Let's say it's sell. Let's say we're gonna look for sales. All right. because this looked like a potential reversal. Now, although this could be a change of character right here, we got to wait and see what this do. If this go up and beat this high, if it beat this high, then we're gonna keep looking for buys. If not, let me go look for sells. But let's just say we already know price is reversing right here, right? So if you looked at the PDF that I posted, the very first step in the price cycle is consolidation, right? Remember that?
Right.
Okay. So look what we have. We have consolidation up here. You see it?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Let's go down. Let's go down to the 1 hour time frame. All right. So we have consolidation. All right. So we spotted it. Boom. We got that. I'm gonna just move this over a little bit. So we have consolidation. We know we don't trade consolidation. Price move in consolidation. Price pretty much gonna move up and down. You know, it's gonna whipsaw you if you're trying to get in there. You know, you don't know what's gonna happen. All right. So we wait. So we wait. So the second step of the price cycle, if you remember, is called expansion. All right.
Mm-hmm.
So expansion, see this big long move right here?
Right.
That's
That's
the
expansion.
right. That's the expansion. So the expansion is going to do two things, Ms. Beverly. The expansion is going to give you remember the gaps in between the wicks right there? Remember what they're called? Let's see if you remember. Start with an I.
Oh.
All right. Remember, we call that imbalance.
Okay. Right. Okay.
So you can call it imbalance. You can call it inefficiency. You can call it fair value gap. You can call it inefficient price action. But
Mm-hmm.
they're all the same. They're all the same. All right. Just remember that they're all the same.
Okay.
Sometimes you might hear me say, if you ever see me put IPA,
Uh-huh.
that means inefficient price action, which also means imbalance, inefficiency, right? Fair value gap. All right. It's all the same. All right. But that's one of the things that happen. It leaves behind is when in expansion, once expansion, it expands from consolidation, you're going to leave inefficiency. All right. That's one thing. Another thing is you're going to leave your supply or demand zone behind. Our supply, what's our, all right. And what's our supply demand zone? This last candle before this huge drop that gave us the inefficiency, this inefficient price action, right? So our zone is here. And I'm going to mark it with my Fibonacci from the bottom to top. I'm just put the top right there. I'm gonna change this. And the reason why I did that is because we have nothing over here yet. So no telling how far this is going to go. And my Fibonacci just extends all the way to whenever. All right. All right. So now we've covered two aspects of the price cycle. We've covered consolidation and we've also covered expansion. All right. So number three, after expansion, you remember what's after expansion?
Not quite sure.
All right. So after expansion, we have a retracement.
Oh yeah, retracement. Okay.
Right. And the purpose of the retracement is to fill in the inefficiency. All this inefficiency that's left behind. The purpose of the retracement is to come back and fill it in, right? Just like this. Hold on. Path. Boom. It's gonna come back and fill it in. That's the retracement. Now, it's gonna fill it in. Now, sometimes you're gonna get some stuff like this. It's gonna come up. It might move. It might give you some more consolidation or whatever, and then go up. All right. So hold on one second. Let me redo that. Hold on. Because I want something specific I want you to see. It might come up. All right, then it go bump, 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 and then go up here. All right. So if it does something like that, what it does is it gives you liquidity on top right here, and it gives you liquidity on the bottom. All right. So there, and it does that for a reason. Let me do this right quick. Hold on. You at the bottom. I don't know why I just like to make my stuff look neat. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
And liquidity on top. All right. So when it does that, it builds up liquidity. All right. When it builds up liquidity, it's definitely going to take this top side liquidity to get back to that zone. But it also leaves this liquidity down here for step number 4. And you remember step number 4, the last step of the price cycle?
I looked at that the other night. I forgot.
It's all right. It's all right. But the last step is called reversal. All right.
Yeah. Okay.
The last step is called reversal. Okay. So what happens is, okay, so we got consolidation. Let me label it right quick. We got consolidation. We got consolidation right there. All right. Then we get expansion right here.
Then we got retracement.
Yep, retracement.
Reversal.
This area here, we'll put it right here. Yes. All right, and reversal. Boom. Reversal. And the reversal, you know, because it's reversed and it came up and then it's going to reverse and come back down.
Okay.
All right. So that's our price cycle. Now, how do we get in the trade? Where do we get in the trade at? That's the important. That is the key. That's what we definitely need to know. We know,
Right.
we know once it come back to our zone up in here, that's where we're going to get in the trade at. But we need to be a bit more specific, right?
Mm-hmm.
So what we do is, see, we're on the 1 hour chart now. So what we do now, we drop down to, let's say, the 15-minute time frame. All right. And then we come over here and we see what we got. Right.
Okay.
So, and what we want to see is, tell me if you remember this right here. Remember when we did this? When we were talking about market structure, we went up, 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 then we came down, boom, boom. All right, and then we was doing this, we was doing okay, because you got your breaker structure right here, your BOS on the top side, on the high side, and then it's gonna come up, and then it's gonna come down and break this low right here to give us our change of character. All right, and you remember what change, if you can remember, change of character is our first indication that price may be reversing. Right?
Okay.
So we want to see change of character. We definitely want to see change of character. So after that change of character, once we get our change of character, then you go back up here and you start looking for your zone, your supply zone. All right. And you remember with your supply zone, we want to see like an inefficiency. We want to see the zone and then like an inefficiency. And once you spot it, that's where you wait for your trade at. And as soon as it gets, say for instance, you see it right here. Let me draw a little box right quick. Let me see. Wait, where my little drawing up right here. Say for instance, you see it right there, and then you just wait for it to come up, and then you got inefficiency down underneath there. You just wait for this to come up, and then once it get to it on that lower time frame, boom, take your trade. Take your trade. Set your stop loss. Now your stop loss is going to be. Oh wait, hold on. I don't know what I did. All right. Now your stop loss is going to be, don't put your stop loss right above this high right here.
Okay.
Put it a few pips, because you want to give it a little bit space. Because I don't know if you saw in the group, I got stopped out earlier with this when I posted the stop hunt.
Yeah, somebody asked what is the stop hunt? Yeah,
on this trade right here, USD JPY. This wick right here. This wick stopped me out. But I already knew what was happening, so I got right back in it, and I came down, I got it down here. All right, but it stopped me out. That's why this don't happen all the time. This happened. This happened because this market is about to drop. because they hit you with this bottom wick first. They hit you with the bottom wick for the people that don't know better and taking this trade up. Because as you can see how it was going up right here?
Uh-huh.
Well, a lot of people was buying this. And then it consolidated. And then they hit you with this candle. Boom. Then to get all this right here. See these lows right here? This ain't nothing but liquidity down there. That's money. That stop loss is down there. So what happened was they hit you with this. They hit you with the low side first. Then they came up and they know, all right, so we got some smart money. We got some smart people in here that's selling. But guess what? They're not going to expect this. And see this big long wick right here? Boom. It knocked us out the trade. Knocked me out the trade, definitely. It knocked me out. But guess what? Yeah, I know better. Yeah. You knocked me out. You knocked me out, but guess what? I know where you're going. So guess what? They knocked me out. Miss Beverly, look what happened. They knocked me out of the car.
Uh-huh.
They got to that red light. I opened that door and got right back in the car.
I hear you.
Got right back in the car and I rode it down and I'm still riding it down with them. I'm still riding it down with them. All right. Now it might come back up, fill in this imbalance right here. Might. But I'm in. I'm good, you know.
Right.
I ain't even tripping. All right.
Okay.
But yeah, that's why I wanted to show you that stop hunt right there. That's what they may do. And that's why I was telling you, wait, what pair that we was on just now? AUD. Look, this is another one right here. Wait, what I forgot what pair we was on. Man, now I'm tripping. Not this one. Look, this a trade that I'm in my funded challenge account.
Okay.
Let me see. Right here. Here we are. This where we was at. And I was saying how you don't want to man, I'm trying to get my screen right. What is going on? All right. Yeah, I was saying you don't want to put it right above there. Put it a little bit above.
Yeah, above. Okay.
Yeah. A lot of times I like to go maybe about 5 pips. Depending on how close my zone is to the top to that high. If it's right at the top of that high, if my zone is the top of that high, then I can put it a little closer.
Okay.
If it's like a little bit further down or something, then and even then sometimes it's not going to go, like if you get it right, it's not going to go past that high. But there's always a chance that they're going to hit you with that stop hunt. It's not going to happen all the time, but it does happen. All right. But showing you that, Miss Beverly, look what's going on right now. Because right now we can probably is a possibility that, hold on a second, cancel. It's a possibility that, see how it's consolidating right here? All right. So I'm already expecting, all right, price is going up. All right. So I'm already expecting price to go up, go to the zone, and then drop, right?
Right.
So if I'm expecting that. Could it be possible that we can trade the same thing from down here and get, look, we got consolidation. All right. Could we also wait for an expansion, come back to it, and then catch it back, going back up? It's possible. It's very possible. Yep. We can get an expansion, not all the way up to the zone, but we can get an expansion, come back down to it, or check this out, because it is going up, right? It is going up. So maybe, just maybe, this might be our real zone and not this one up here. All right. But that's why we wait and we have patience, Ms. Beverly. Okay. And see, we got consolidation down here right now. So we can pretty much bank on it going up to this zone right here, because we got consolidation here. It's gonna fill this inefficiency. If this keeps going up in continuation with market structure, then it's gonna fill this inefficiency. All right. So we pretty much can Wait for this to happen. Wait for expansion out of here, retracement, reversal, boom. All right. And you can take, and look, if it does that, then guess what? This zone right here, the bottom of this zone, that would be our, that can be our target. Our take profit target from down here, from the zone down there to up in here, like that's 100 and something pips right there. That's nice.
Right. Yeah, nice.
That's real nice. You know, you could eat off of that.
You
could eat real well too. All right, and that is Euro CAD. So let's look at, okay, this one right here. Look at this. This is one I ate off of Euro GBP. Look what happened. Consolidation, expansion. All right, down. Look how it consolidated again. It went up, boom, entry right up in here, and then boom. But it kept on going down. And the reason why I sold is because look at our market structure. Market structure wasn't going up. Market structure, well, let's see, let's look at the 4-hour chart. See that on the 4-hour market structure is coming down. This is a downtrend. Now, although it looks a little shaky, you know, because it come down, then angles up, come down, angles up, come down, angles up. It's weird. That's a weird structure. But it's still down structure. None of these highs were getting beat. The lows were getting beat, but none of these highs were getting beat. All right, so it was making lower highs and lower lows. So it's still a down structure. It just looked weird. So knowing that it's still down structure, we know we can look for sales. All right, and then I got this mark right here, you know, just to kind of see if it goes back up. Let me see, we're about 40 pips away, roughly 40 pips away from this zone right here. I think it might get there around London, somewhere maybe between London and in New York. I'm thinking London session. All right. Let's see, Euro JPY. Look at this, Euro JPY. Look what happened. Now, I got this. Let me see. This right here, I don't think I'm gonna touch it. Although it did. It beat this, came back up, tapped it several times. I'm thinking there's a zone up here in this candle. I didn't even look at it. To be honest with you, because I really don't like the way it's the way it looked. Okay. I really don't like the way it looked. Now it looked like it could be coming down, but this big move right here kind of threw me off a little bit. It kind of threw me. Without this, I probably would have been able to. If this would have been short, I would say, okay, look, we got consolidation going right here. Now we can wait for our expansion. Right. But look, we did have this expansion here. I mean, this consolidation here with expansion coming out of it. So maybe it's going to go back up and then drop some more. I don't know. We'll see. All right, but that's why they have so many other pairs. We ain't got to just if we're not sure about one. All right, cool. And I'm not afraid to say I'm not sure about this one. Okay. You can't. That's one thing you can't. Don't let we can't let our ego get in the way. I see a lot of people do that. You can't do that. All right. This one here, same thing. Look at this. Look, we had the price cycle here, consolidation, expansion. Look, area of inefficiency right up in here. And look, it went up, it just tapped it. It just tapped it. See that consolidation right here? This whole consolidation zone, it just tapped the whole consolidation zone. And that's cool. That will happen sometimes. Sometimes you might have your supply zone marked up right here, and it'll just come and tap the bottom of consolidation or maybe the top of your consolidation. That's cool. That still works. It's not guaranteed that they're going to always come up to your zone. All they want to do is mitigate this imbalance. That's all they want to do. And if tapping it is enough to mitigate it, then that's what they're going to do. Okay. All right. And look at that area inefficiency. Look, that was about 50%, close to 50% of that inefficiency. Tapped it. It wasn't the whole inefficiency. And it's possible that they still might come back up and get some more of it. And then look what happened. Boom. We got another little small consolidation zone right here.
Mm-hmm.
But look, this time they didn't even come up. They didn't even come up all the way. They
Right.
barely. They left a little small gap right there. All right. But I didn't take this trade. I was expecting it to come up in there. It didn't. I didn't take the trade. I didn't take the trade. All right. Euro. Look at this one. GBP AUD. Another one. All right. So we had consolidation here. Look at that good. Look at that good expansion coming out. Slowly retrace back down. Let's go down. Let's go to the 1 hour and look at this one. All right. Slowly retrace back down. All right. Retrace back down. And then look, it created another one right here. Expansion coming up. And then look what it did. It gave us liquidity right here. See the liquidity underneath here?
Yeah.
It's trend line liquidity. So this makes me think, that's why I put this here, because I think this is going to come back down and tap in and then go up. So, and I'll just be waiting for that one. Now, tomorrow is Friday. I tell you what, let's see. Let's look at Forex Factor.
Okay.
Let's see what kind of news we got coming out tomorrow. All right. 28, we got JPY, it's tentative, JPY. 8:30 CAD, 8:30 USD, 10 a.m. orange folder. All right. So we got 3 red folders. 3 red folders, 8:30. So 8:30 normally about the time I notice moves being made in the market. Especially on a Friday. I notice on Mondays and on Fridays, the moves usually take a little bit longer to get going. Maybe because it's the first actual full trading day.
Okay.
On Monday, and then Friday is the last trading day of the week. That's what I think anyway. That's my that's what I say. That's what I always say. All right, but that's GBP AUD, and we're just waiting for it to come back down. All right, GBP CAD, really nothing here. Had a little something here, but I shouldn't even mark this up because market structure going up. Now, although there was how many pips? 100 and something, 125 pips coming down on the counter trend trade. I don't want to get in the habit of taking counter trend trades. I want to stay in line with market structure. So market structure is going up. If market structure going up, we're looking for buys. If the market structure is coming down, we're looking for sales. That's what I need to keep in mind. Just stay in line with the trend, with market structure, direction.
Okay.
All right. So let's see what else we got. GBP, JPY, market structure going up on that one. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. All right. Look, same thing. Consolidate. We got expansion, imbalance right here. Came down, tapped it, boom. Now, the only thing is this right here, this is all consolidating right here. It's a little fuzzy because it could go either direction. It could go either direction. And really, if you look at it, this is a big area of consolidation right here. We get this little dip right here, but it's still a big area of consolidation. But I'm still inclined to think that it's going to go up because market structure never changed yet. So until market structure changes, you stay with your stay with your direction that is going in. Okay, GBP USD. It's another one. I'm looking at this one, perhaps. What was I looking at on GBP USD? I can't even remember. Let me see. Consolidation here. All right. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Consolidation. Let's see. I saw a zone up in here. Was it on 15 minutes? Yep. 15 minutes. So consolidation, expansion. Look at that expansion coming out. Nice, healthy expansion. All right. Look like it might want to retrace, but it's built. See right here is giving us a lot of liquidity underneath.
Okay. I see that.
Yep. So that made me think the retracement is going to fill up this inefficiency, come down, take this liquidity out, hit our zone, and then go on up about his business. All right. So I'm gonna have to keep an eye out on that one as well. And look, if it don't play out, then guess what? Oh well. If it don't play out, oh well.
Well,
they're missing nothing. They got other, man. Look, they got so many more opportunities for you.
okay.
Look at it. Look at this one. See, this one here faked me out because I was expecting this to go up, and look what happened.
Came down.
Came and bust through it. They came and bust through it, and guess what? I didn't take this trade. I didn't get what I wanted. I didn't get what I wanted, so I didn't take it. Only trade you'll set up. Only trade. That's the key to being patient. NZD, USD, I ain't got nothing on it. US 30, I was trying to find, man. I was trying to find something hard on US 30. Oh, man. I say, man, you know what? I'm not going to mess with it right now. I ain't going to mess with it. Although we got down market structure. Look like this is a little zone right here. It could be coming down from, but I'm not going to deal with it. All right, USD CAD. I have nothing for USD CAD. USD CHF. I've been waiting on this for a couple of days. I won't say since the beginning of the week. No, not the beginning of the week, but I've been waiting on like a couple of days. I won't say. When did I draw this? Not a couple of days ago. When this Tuesday, since Tuesday. I've been waiting on this since Tuesday. All right. So it might be next week when it happened, but it's already set up. USDJPY. Is this a trade that I'm in? Let me see what trade. Let me see what trade am I in? Okay, I'm in.
So you're in that one?
No, I'm in AUD USD. I'm in AUD. I mean, I even made a little gold money today.
Oh, okay.
See that on the up, coming up here? See that? Ooh, been a while since I made some gold money.
Good.
Got a little consolidation right there. Came up, tapped down, boom, took it up. Look like it almost might be ready to go up again. Let me see. Look, right up in there. Watch this. 15 minute. Oh yeah, see right there? Right up in there. You know what? I'm gonna take gold in my demo account. Hold on a second. I'm gonna take gold in my demo. I'm all about playing it safe these days, man. I'm trying to, man, look, I ain't gonna say I'm gonna be a, man, not just me, Miss Beverly, all of us. That's my goal. I want all of us. Man, look, by the time the new year come in, I want in the next 3 months, I want all of us to be solid traders. All of us, every single one of us. All of us in the group. And that starts with me. That starts with me investing more time in doing this right here, what I'm doing with you guys.
That's what I need to do because I feel like I'm the weakest link.
Man, trust me, you're not at all. And look, don't ever feel like that, Miss Beverly. Because there are times when I feel like I'm the weakest link. You know, there are times when I feel like that. You know. Look, you're gonna lose trade. You're gonna have days, you're gonna have your good days and you're gonna have your bad days. All right. You're gonna have good days, you're gonna have your bad days. Don't feel like that. We in this together. We a team.
I just need to get more into it because I'm tired of working. I'm tired of them 12-hour shift.
Man, I already know. I know.
I gotta go in tomorrow night.
And tomorrow night? Well, look, at least you can get a little bit of rest today.
Yep.
All right. So let's go to the group right quick. I want to pull up this. Let's see. Right here, price cycle. It's a little something I put together the other day with the price cycle, supply and demand, and the price cycle. All right, I'm gonna just go over it right quick. So first we have consolidation, expansion, retracement, and reversal. All right, being able to recognize the price cycle will help you greatly when trading supply and demand. excuse me. Here you will learn how to recognize each part of the price cycle and what it does. All right, and of course, the first part, consolidation. You will notice that during consolidation, the price will tend to move in a sideways range with no really big movements. Consolidation is important because this is where the supply and demand zones will most likely be located. All right. Next was expansion. That's when the price leaves the consolidation zone very quickly. Those big, long, sharp moves. That's your expansion. All right. Consolidation is also known. If you ever hear anybody say contraction, it's the same thing as consolidation. Same thing.
Okay.
All right. Yeah. It's a bunch of different terminology for a lot of these. All right. Now, during expansion, you will see long candles moving away from the consolidation zone. This quick move will create inefficient price action, also known as IPA, also known as imbalance, also known as fair value gaps, and will also leave behind the supply and demand zone. Okay. The retracement, that's when the price returns to the supply and demand zone that was left behind during the expansion phase. The retracement will aim to fill in the inefficiency as well as mitigate the supply and demand zone. The retracement may also create liquidity to be taken during the reversal phase. All right. Now, the retracement also can take out liquidity that was made during the expansion because price going to expand. And like I said, a lot of times it's not going to always go straight back to you, straight to your like it'll expand it. A lot of times not going to always go straight up and then come straight back down. You know, it's going to play around a little bit. All right. And reversal. Once the retracement fills in an inefficiency and mitigates the supply demand zone, price will reverse and go in its intended direction. The reversal will take out any liquidity that was created by the retracement. And I say here are a few examples, but I just got one. And that's the one I showed you earlier with Euro USD.
Right.
All right. And here on Euro USD, you can see we have our consolidation with expansion. Okay, so our consolidation here. All right. Our expansion, as you see our expansion leaving the consolidation, left behind inefficiency and the zone right up there. And this is the one where, remember I said, sometimes it's just going to tap that consolidation, the tip of that consolidation zone instead of your supply and demand zone. Now it's possible that it still could go back up and hit your supply demand zone and then come back down. That's still possible. All right. Okay. And look, retracement. See, you can see on the retracement phase how it created liquidity at the bottom down here. All right. And it also consolidated. You had consolidation here with liquidity at the top, and then look what happened. Boom, it went up, took it out, went mitigate, and then reverse. Boom. That reversal took out all this liquidity on the bottom side. Okay. All right. Price came back down, took out liquidity that it previously created. All right. You got any questions, Ms. Beverly?
No.
All right.
I read this, but I just had to study it. I read it.
Right. And look, I'm going live. Well, I want to go live in the morning.
Okay.
Hold on.
What time?
Hold on 1 second. Let me stop my recording right quick. All right, everybody. And that's pretty much it. Hold on. Let me stop this recording.